Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about how to use Discord server. This video is about creating your own Discord server so that you can be the boss of your own server and enjoy sharing videos, movies, games, music, and all the other media with your friends and family. Let's get into the video without wasting a minute. Just start with going to your Discord account. Just log into your Discord account through a browser. When you do that, this page will appear. From this page, click on add a server, this plus sign from the left side of your screen. Create a server with a white background will appear. Either you can click on create my own, or you can choose a template like gaming, school, club, study group, whatever you want to. We'll just go with create my own. After that, for me and my friends or for a club, let's go to for me and my friends. Here you can add a name to your server. Let's just add YOLO. If you wish to, you can also upload a picture. And after that, click on create. This is your server. Now there are two options. One is the general text and the other is the voice text channel, voice channels. This is only for texting people and this is only for the voice overs. Like you can talk to people through this hashtag. If you click on the voice channel, you'll have to turn on your microphone if you wish to. So yeah, that's about it. This is your own server. Thank you for being with us till the end. If you enjoyed the video or if the video was helpful, do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon below so that you get notified each and every single time we upload a new video for you. Thank you.